In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide birthdays from your iPhone calendar. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Calendar app. If it shows you birthdays as an event in some days, let's say in my case, if we get into that day, it will show us that that users has birthdays in that particular day. If we want to hide that data from our calendar app, we need to head over to Calendars. It will show us all the calendars, and that's where we need to search for birthdays. All we have to do is just unselect it. However, keep in mind that birthdays data may be included in different calendars. We have just disabled birthdays in other section. However, at Gmail section, if we translate this to English, it will also be birthdays. And also I'm gonna uncheck mark that calendar. Then to save the changes, we need to tap at done, and that will hide all the birthdays data from our calendar. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.